Hey there. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you some of the fixes related to htacess file. These are the fixes that can protect your WordPress installation from most of the security flaws and some of the common issues that happen with WordPress. For example, if you have any WordPress setup and there is directory browsing access to anonymous users and people who can access your other directories on web server, this can be bad for your WordPress installation because anyone can look at your theme or plugin, or if they know what files are installed on your server, they can hack it. And to avoid that, we are basically going to add the following code: options all -indexes. This will disable directory browsing. Directory browsing is basically a feature that doesn't allow non-users or anonymous users to access directories from browsers, and this is the basic security that you should enable on your root directory so that rest of the directories will not be accessible. After that fix, we will take a look at file access restriction. For example, if you want to stop anyone from accessing and modifying your files which are necessary for WordPress to function, like wp-config, wp-admin folder, and htacess folder, htacess file, then you have to use this snippet, which is files htacess, and within this you have to say order, allow and deny from all. You don't have to enable access to anyone unless that is super user or admin of the web server. Then satisfy all. That means you are basically not restricting execution for anyone, but you are denying the modification access. This will take care of basic security like protecting someone from accessing or modifying your files, yet it will be possible to execute them. After that, we will see password authentication to wp-admin folder. wp-admin folder is very important, as this folder will contain almost everything that you need for your WordPress setup, like post data and all the details. You have to protect this directory from being modified by any hacker or script, so this snippet will disallow others from accessing it. Here we are saying authenticate user file /div/null, group file /div/null, and author name, access control, authorization type basic, order, deny and allow in this way, then deny from all. Then we have to specify who to allow and who to deny. We can specify specific IP address. I have wrote X in place of IP address. You can allow home IP and work IP. If you have dynamic IP address, I suggest modifying these two lines so that you don't have to worry about specific IP address. After that, there is another fix that you have to make, is disable HTTP trace method. HTTP trace will basically about sending the PHP version or PHP related information from headers. and you have to disable this data so that hackers don't know if you're using old or new version of PHP installation. In this we are going to write rewrite engine to set to on, then to write condition percentage within the curly bracket, write request method, then trace, then write rule dot star dash, and then within bracket f we are setting this as a false parameter. Once you do that, there will be no header information sent regarding PHP installation. After that, we will see how to secure install.php. This file is basically helpful while first installing the WordPress installation. Once that is used, you don't need this file. However, in order to upgrade your WordPress installation, this file is important. So we are going to again restrict or to allow and deny, and then say deny from all and satisfy all, so it will be executed yet denied from modification. Same goes for readme HTML. You don't need readme HTML, however with each upgrade that file will be placed on the folder, so you can choose to secure it or you can choose to delete it. It's up to you, but same setting goes for install.php and readme HTML. After that, we will take a look at harmful query strings. This big code, which you can copy from my GitHub repository. This file contains a snippet that will stop hackers or security experts from making a harmful query in any of your WordPress forms or WordPress search box. Now let's take a look at deny comments via proxy server snippet. This snippet is for restricting users from using proxy server to make comments. This is to basically stop bots and trolls who are going to attack on your WordPress blog for making nasty comments or for sending some SEO related spam. After that, we will see how to secure wp config php.ini. These two files are very important. As you know, these are the files which are going to hold all the information and settings related to our WordPress. For example, wp config has information related to database and auth keys. php.ini has all the information, configuration settings of Apache web server. And then we have error log, which has to be protected. If you are thinking about securing it, you can secure this file same way like let's say files match method for htacess saying error log, and then allowing or denying access to particular users. We are denying from almost everyone and just allowing the execution. These are the snippets that you should have in your htacess while you have WordPress on your install server installation. If you want to access this file, you can check the description of this video for link to this htacess file. So you just have to copy and paste according to your WordPress and make modification for your WordPress installation. I hope this tutorial helps. Let me know if you have any questions or comment, and see you in the next tutorial.